So here we have the Ford Fiesta 1.25 Z-Tech on a 17 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we're going to hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels finished in magnetic grey. Let's start off inside the boot and then we'll work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you'll see as we approach the boot area that this car's got a 60/40 split folding rear seat and a really decent amount of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition, as are the carpet areas. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. The fuel gauge appears in the middle at the bottom, and then above that we've got the trip computer, which includes the total miles on this car, which is 6,087. You can change the information that's displayed up on there by pushing the button on the end of the indicator stalk. There's lots of different bits of fuel economy information available to you. Backing out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side here you've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button in the middle, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you without you having to touch your phone. The phone itself is set up over here using this screen. So beyond the fact that you can set up Bluetooth to make and receive phone calls, you can also stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth once you connect up your phone. We've also got a CD player and USB input, and then on top of that FM, AM and DAB digital radio as well. You'll see the CD player at the top of that unit, and then some of the options that I mentioned a moment ago down the left hand side there. Working our way down, we've got the air conditioning for the car. So over this side we can control the fan speed. This side's for the temperature, and then the direction of the air using this dial here, and then simply hit AC to turn the air conditioning on. And we also have a heated front screen as well, just there. You then have a 5-speed manual gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket, and the USB input that I mentioned a moment ago. So all that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.